to another Williams Family Vlog. It's cleaning day. Mom's upstairs cleaning, Faith's right here. Mrs. is vacuuming the carpet. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna start sweeping the kitchen. No, I'm gonna sweep the room. So I'm gonna sweep the floor. Yeah. So, as I said, like Faith over there. I bet you're supposed to do that. So I have to sweep this floor right here, the dining room area floor. So.
Yes, meglio se mi come tutta la dottor basta
It's done. So guys, hey guys, welcome back to another Williams Family Vlog. So today we're cleaning the house.
So your girl is in the kitchen as usual, and I just wanted to come by and say, yay! I finished school strong. I finished the semester. Thank God I am done, and I finished out strong. It was tough, but your girl nailed it, and oh, I feel grateful now. I can relax for a little bit and just breathe, at least for a little bit. So, which is good. Oh my gosh, right now I wish I was packing my bags to go home. Yeah, I wish I was packing my bags to go to Jamaica. I think after this, well, not just me, my whole family, we need a vacation, and I'm sure y'all need a vacation too. So you know, when wherever the planes are up and running and we can leave, we will be taking you along with us. Your girl needs to get out of here. I need to go on vacation. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a good day so far, and if not, try to have at least a good day. Put a smile on your face. Get up, do something with that hair. Well, don't mind my hair right now. I'm about to do something with it soon. Again, I'm about to switch it up. I know in the last video you guys seen it, it was like boop, like that, but that's because I had it tied up and I took it down to vlog, and then I totally, Faith didn't even tell me that the back of my head was sticking up like a damn peacock, but that's okay. I hope y'all had a good laugh. But hey, that, I'll call it the quarantine hairstyle. That's pretty much what it was. So I'm here right now. I'm doing some cooked food and saltfish and ackee for dinner because that's what your girl feel like. So it's gonna be island vibes in quarantine. That's definitely it. So I just handed in did my last exam, and I am done. Oh boy. And school in this time and everything being switched on to online ain't no joke. I can tell you that much. And being a student, a mother, a wife, and also now being a teacher to teach the kids them because they're doing homeschool because everything is online. So I gotta help the kids them with their homework as well, and I gotta help with online assignments, and plus I had my own stuff to do. It was not easy. Like business and everything that I was doing, like all of that is on hold. As those that are new know that we had a sudden death in the family, so all of that got on hold, and that was just right after we came back from vacation in January, and then basically in February we were on a plane again. So it's just one thing after the other, and now we come back, and then Corona just decided to just slam the world with craziness. So everything that I had planned is on hold. But at the end of the day, I'm not gonna let this virus stop me, and I hope it doesn't stop you guys as well. But I hope y'all staying inside and keeping it safe. So I'm still I'm behind the scenes, I'm still doing stuff, trying to put things in order, that when the economy is up and running, that I can be up and on top of my game and put out my best foot forward. So that is what I am currently doing. So but I'm about to go get this dinner done. So yeah, that's it. So everybody's here, everybody's just, well, one's there and the rest are upstairs watching TV and doing their thing. So that is what is up. My hubby, he's out, well, getting a little bit more snacks and stuff in the house because these kids, they're eating me out of land, house, and home. Yes, all of the above. And yes, thanks to my brother-in-law that sent me a nice little video, or well, a nice little photo with him eating some jackfruit out on the veranda in the sun. Wait till I come home and see you. Oh my gosh, if you guys know and you've been watching my vlogs, you guys know I love jackfruit and I love being in the island. So right now, yes, me never say me have a bad mind a person, but me a bad mind all around on the island right now. No, I'm just playing. At the end of the day, never bad mind another person because boy, y'all don't know what people are going through. So yeah, but right, I do wish I was in the island. If I had to pick, oh, here's a question for all of you. If you had to pick right now where you would want to be anywhere in the world in this pandemic, where would it be? For me, I would be home in Jamaica. Yes, I would want to be in the island somewhere warm because you could still practice social distance once in a while. I know I could go to the river. Hell, I could still go to the beach and I'm still practicing social distancing. And I live in the country area, so I am well relaxed. I have everything I need at home, and we have enough materials that hubby could have been down there and me helping him. We could have been working on our house. So we wouldn't even be inside our house. We would have been outside working on our house, and we have enough yard space that we can get lost for days just wandering the acres of land that we have down there. So yes, for where would you guys, if you had anywhere to be, choice to be anywhere in this world, where would you be right now? Because right now it's snowing out there and it looks, but that's okay because I'm inside. I haven't seen the, what you call, the light of day in over a month. But you know what? That's okay. People have been asking me, do I get bored being in the house? No, I'm a homebody. I'm a homebody, so for me, I find plenty of things to do. There's plenty of stuff to research, and I always say, like, education, knowledge is power, and that is me. I am always like on my grind on top of those things, and I'm always finding new ways, new business adventures. So that's just me, something I'm doing. So, but enough talking, time to go peel this yam and sweet potato. So come along with me, and that is what is up. All right, so let me just put that to soak. I need some cold, let me get some cold water in it. Okay. Oh, I don't have no more dasheen. Oh, I thought I had more dasheen. I guess my dasheen got finished. So this is the last piece of of course it was. So this is the last piece, well, of this yam anyways. I thought I had more dasheen, but I guess not. I have to call hubby and ask him to pick up some more yam and sweet potato and stuff because we don't have any. So I know that, like, you know, the vlogs them, it's kind of hard because it's all quarantine vlogs, but it's a bit tough. Like, you don't go outside and you're not gonna jeopardize your life and other people's life by being stupid and going outside when you can stay home and be safe, right? And for me, I always say it's better to stay home and be safe than to put yourself out there. So, oh, and we just finished cleaning the house, so just finished cleaning and everything. I don't know if the kids them was vlogging them doing their chores, but not because we in quarantine. That doesn't mean that my house is gonna stay a mess. Trust me. One of my biggest pet peeves, I hate like seeing a messy house. I love when my house is nice and clean. There's no laundry or anything like that to do. Like, I love my laundry baskets empty and everything is just organized. That's just me. So me, that's where you'll find that I get miserable, is when I am tired, when I am hungry, and when my house is a mess. So, but since my kids them know better, they know to make sure that, you know, they always try to make sure that the house is in order, and when they use something, they put it back where they get it from. So, because they know those are some of the things that are my biggest pet peeve. But and to those who have been wishing us well, thank you so much. I hope you and your family are staying well as well. So I am just going to look at this big mama yam. So I'm just gonna cut a piece of this, and that is yam. Got one tin of ackee. Since I can't pick it off the tree, that is what I'm using. So I started putting in my peppers and stuff. So I'm putting in bell peppers and all that. The food is spicy, and I love cooking. So you just wanna add the saltfish. But what I'm going to have to do, like Faith, she does not eat ackee, so I gotta take out her meat separately from everybody else's and put her meat aside. Guys, dinner is finished. I'm about to eat, and this is what dinner looks like. So that is dinner, and that is it. So that is dinner, that is it. Your girl is we are about to eat right now, and probably just gonna hang out and watch some movies. Rissa, can you set the table please? And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's late, and we're just gonna have to clean the kitchen after we finish. So, well, kitchen's pretty much clean, so it's pretty much what we eat. Just gotta do that and wash up back my pots, because your girl, I always clean as I go. I don't like a messy, never like a messy kitchen when I'm cleaning, when I'm cooking. I always like to as I cook, I wash the plates then, so well, it's less work and it just, you know, just look a little bit more cleaner. It was just snowing outside like crazy, but it's not sticking, so that's good. But it was like almost looking like it's hailing outside. It's going back and forth. But I came to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy another quarantine day in the house. I don't even, it's past day 30, how much now? So that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.
I know this is really love, cause baby, I'ma feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? Cause girl, I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.